Alright, thanks for joining my channel, The Eclectic Life. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace the dust collection bag on the Grizzly 1.5 horsepower wall mount dust collector, model number G0944. It's been a great dust collector. Haven't had any issues out of it at all. And I've run quite a bit of sawdust through this thing. Like I said in one of my previous videos, it will suck up just about anything that gets at the end of the hose. That's how much power it's got. 1.5 horsepower is plenty for me, a little shop, a little garage shop. So it's not too bad to put this on here. It can be a little cumbersome. I guess the hardest thing is get that outer edge on here. Once you get that outer edge on there, it's not too bad. Get the edge furthest away from you, and then just kind of work. You see how quick I got that on there. I've done it a few times, and what I like to do is I like to pull it up, not too far, but I like to pull it up where there's a little bit of plastic above this black band, because that's where you're going to put the clamp on there. Just kind of take a peek around the back, make sure that it's not about to fall off or anything like that. Like I said, you don't want much plastic above the black. You just want a little bit. Yeah, like I said, you saw how quick I got that on there. Guess the power cord's in the way. Just find the, kind of line it up around the black band. Get it best you can in the middle. I don't think it has to be dead perfect, but it don't need to be trying to fall off on any edges, And what you do is, you've got these notches right here, and I try to put it on, I want to say it's this third notch is going to do it. Yeah, that's going to do it. So the third notch, 1, 2, 3, yep. I don't know if you can see that. I'll bring it in a little bit closer right there. Third notch works for this model. And as you can see, it's pretty good around that band. Like I said, you got a little bit of plastic coming off a little bit. Or a little bit of plastic sticking up above that. Alright, let's turn it on right quick, make sure it's not going to blow it off. I think the very first time I did it, I think it did blow it off. We'll do I think they call this a filter saver. Some dust, but had a little bit of got a nice little pile down there now. Quite a bit stuck to the filter. All right, there you go. That's how you replace the dust collection bag on the Grizzly 1.5 horsepower wall mount dust collector, model number G0944. Thanks for watching my channel, The Eclectic Life. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. We got some great content coming up. I'm fixing to be building some furniture with this Jatoba I just picked up, and we're trying to incorporate another species of wood into it, maybe some tiger wood or something. I don't know. I've got some crazy wild ideas I want to do. So thanks for watching.